the Boriles. Welcome to my house. My name is Butterfly. Look.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a butterfly. No, this is my bedroom. My bed was already set. And it is beautiful, right?
And what's on top of your bed?
Wait, I just gotta close my door for a second. This is my old tree house.
Oh, okay.
So it's so beautiful right now. It's a frozen blanket on it. And then I can sleep on it.
But what about that?
I got when I was a baby, I am a butterfly when I was a baby.
You were a butterfly when you were a baby?
Yeah, it was Miss Butterfly.
Oh, okay. Okay, what's next?
But I something behind you.
What's behind me?
Look. It's me, Miss Butterfly.
Ooh.
And this is me, Miss Butterfly. See, look. It's Miss Butterfly.
Wow. And who's that in the corner?
That's my friend.
That's your friend?
That's my dad.
And
TJ.
And who's that?
You know TJ?
Ooh.
And also...
Oh, it fell.
And also Nino Tim.
Nino Tim. Oh, where is he? Is he hiding?
No, see, this is my squishy.
He's squishing. You're right.
This is my shoes over here. And I got makeup over here.
You wear makeup?
Yeah. And then I put my hairstyles over here. And then I got a piggy bank lotion. I got some books over here. So I can read books. But do you want to read books? Come to my bed, please. Don't I go to the bus? It's because you're going to school today. And then she go to now. Dora rode the boat and she didn't see a crocodile. And there's lots of crocodiles. One day they go to the airplane to go somewhere. Where are we going? She going to the tree and she gonna see something in there. Now she got Bunny the Bulb. She's going to go to there on the balloon. And she see her friend, the brother. She got a jungle gym and she wants to go over there. The end. So this is Cinderella. And also, there's a sweet little dog. And there's
Who's that?
That's a little bear.
That's a little bear barking outside?
No.
Who's barking?
A dog. And then let's go clean up in this my room. Okay, get out to my tree house now.
Okay, thank you for your treehouse tour.
You're welcome.
Can we come back?
Sure. Bye bye.
Hi.
Hi.
Good luck.
I found one.
You have to put it in your basket.
Ah!
Oh, that was so fast. Where else? Where? How many eggs do you have right now? Let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, there's still some more. Oh! Okay, what else?
No, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, 2 more. Does Walter have it? Walter, do you have an egg? No. It's in your water shoe.
Mama, you're silly.
Okay, one more.
Where'd you put it?
I don't know. Where did I put it? Yay! Let's count your eggs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oops. So you're at 7. Yay! What are we doing, Olivia?
Keep opening the eggs.
What is it?
A chocolate.
Chocolate? It looks like a chocolate.
It's a real one.
Mm-hmm.
Here.
Aw, that's nice.
Nothing in there.
There's nothing. Who are you gonna give the orange egg to?
Mickey Mouse.
Okay.
Nothing in there.
Who are you gonna give that to? What is it? You don't know? And how about the pink egg?
Just a little bit.
That's a good one.
Wait,
Oh, what happened?
where is that?
The toy?
Yeah,
You put it in Dante.
Dante.
Yeah, the blue cat.
Huh?
The blue cat.
The blue?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, look. The toy is right there. What is it?
And this is a hair tie.
Here.
There's nothing in there. Nothing in there.
Nothing again?
Mommy.
Whoopsie, sorry.
Nothing in there. Mommy, you're tricky. Oh.
No.
A dice.
A dice.
Okay. Nothing in there. Mommy, you're tricky.
I'm tricking you.
Stop it.
Because I have another surprise for you.
What? Nothing in there.
Nothing?
Yeah. Why are you tricky or something?
Yeah.
Now we just need to count 1, 2, 3, 4.
You got 4 prizes? Can you count how many eggs we have, Olivia?
Yeah. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9.
I think there's one more over there.
Oh.
So how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay, Olivia! I have a surprise for you.
What?
You have to close your eyes. What's that? Chocolate? Who's that?
Papa.
Papa? You're so funny.